Hi guys, and welcome back again to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name's Gary.
My name is Reancy. In today's video, we were going to learn about the extended family members in Bisaya. And if you haven't watched our video for immediate family members, we recommend you to watch it as well.
Before we start guys, if this video gives you any value at all, why not put a like on it? And if you're new around here, why not consider subscribing? With that being said, let's jump straight into the video right now. The first word we'll learn today is the word for relative, which is
Pariente. Pariente.
relative is pariente. Our next word is grandparents.
Mga apuhan. Mga apuhan.
Mga apohan is grandparents, and the word mga makes it plural. You can remove mga if you want to say the singular form grandparent. If we break grandparents down into grandmother and grandfather, let's learn them next. So grandmother is
Lola. Lola.
grandmother, Lola. And grandfather is
Lolo. Lolo.
grandfather, Lolo. Now both of these terms can be used for both the mother's and father's side.
Moving on from there, we have aunt, and this has two words you can use. They are iyaan or simply auntie. Iyaan or auntie.
So aunt in Bisaya has two words, iyan or auntie.
The word for uncle has also two words, and they are uyuan or uncle. Uyuan, or you can also say uncle.
So uncle, uyaan or uncle. Our next relative for you is cousin, and in Bisaya that is
Igagaw, or you can also say just agaw.
cousin, ig, agaw. So now let's learn the words for niece and nephew. First we have niece, which is
Pag umangkon nga babae. Let's try it again. Pag umangkon nga babae.
niece is pag umangkon nga babae. And the word for nephew is very similar, which is
Pag umangkon nga lalaki. Let's try it again. Pag umangkon nga lalaki.
nephew, pag umangkon nga lalaki. So in them two phrases, babae is girl and lalaki is boy.
Moving on from there, we have the word for grandchild, which is apo. Apo.
Apo is grandchild. Now if you want to make that plural to grandchildren, you can say
Mga apo. Mga apo.
so simply add the word mga in front to make the word plural. Mga apo, grandchildren.
Going a step further, the next relative is a great-grandchild, which is apo sa tuhod. Apo sa tuhod.
Great grandchild, apo sa tuhod.
And it's in the same way as the last example, turning that plural to great-grandchildren, add the word mga at the front. So it becomes mga apo sa tuhod, which means great-grandchildren.
Mga apo sa tuhod, great grandchildren. The general term for parent-in-law is
Ugangan. Ugangan.
parent-in-law, ugangan. Let's break that down into mother-in-law, which becomes
Ugangan nga babae. Let's try it again. Ugangan nga babae.
Ugangan nga babae, mother-in-law. To say father-in-law, we just replace babae with the word lalaki. So that becomes
Ugangan nga lalaki. Ugangan nga lalaki.
father-in-law, ugangan nga lalaki.
Moving on, we have son-in-law, which in Bisaya is called umagad nga lalaki. Umagad nga lalaki.
Son-in-law, umagad nga lalaki.
Daughter-in-law follows the same rules, so replace lalaki with babae, and it becomes umagad nga babae. Umagad nga babae.
Daughter-in-law is umagad nga babae.
So that wraps up our lesson for today for extended family members in Bisaya. And don't forget to watch the immediate family members video, which we're gonna put the link down below.
Once again guys, if you found these videos of any value, then please put a like on them. And if you're new around here, why not consider subscribing as well. And as always guys, have a great day.
See you in another video!